Hi, today I'm repairing one of my EM body packs that I use when I'm singing, and this had already really bad antenna, and I thought that I would record this as I move through the repair. I have already replaced a few antennas on these body packs, so I'm familiar with the how to do it. So yeah, first, so let's just start. First, we have to open the body pack, and you do it by opening these 4 screws. Let me just change the view over here, like so. So removing those 4 screws over here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let me just take a box for the screws, like so. Okay, and then we have to remove this front lid, like so, and then we can open the in-ear body pack. And now we have to unscrew this screw, and this goes to the second. I have because I had some antennas and I messed up because I thought that they are for this frequency range, but yeah, I messed up when buying them, so I ordered the wrong antennas, and now I got new ones for this frequency range. So yeah, this will work as it should, because the other antennas were too short, were for higher frequency range. It's a bit let's say the antenna that is for 600 or 700 megahertz is shorter, and yeah, and the body pack is looking much more slick. Just a second. So yeah, I have already removed the antenna over here, and we just need to solder it in this place. So let's get the soldering iron and some tin. Let me close up so you can see a bit better. I could do this under the microscope, but it's okay like this. Yep, so put it in hole and bring it up. Like so. I will look under the microscope. Let's go to the microscope. And here's the joint. We just need to clean it up, and we're done. scraping lightly, taking care not to damage the components around. And now I will use some isopropyl alcohol to clean this up, and a cloth to get it even better looking. And joint is as new. I presume that this is intended for some kind of capacitor or something like that, but it was not populated on this board. And let's just check the other side to see if everything is okay. Yeah, everything checks out. Yeah, so that's it. Antenna is soldered in, so we can start to close this body pack. I will just blow a smidgen of air over here. Just to get the dust off. Put this body pack back. Which view, let me know which view do you prefer, from the side view maybe, or the top view? So this one or this one, which one is better? I think that this is not bad, but here you can see better what I'm doing. Okay, so we need to screw this back. Just taking screws from my and like so, and we're done. 4 screws more. That's it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. And just making sure that the screws are tight and snug over here, so they don't loosen up with the time and vibration. And putting back this how's it called? In Slovenian language we would set pant, and right now I'm looking for the English words, and it is, I don't freaking know how to say this. I have it at the tip of my tongue. And I just try to power it on with some batteries. Here we go. Sennheiser. That's it. Something is jumping in. Ooh, I see now. Oh my god. You see that? I didn't put the screw in the right place. Yeah, I hope that I didn't damage something over here. when assembling, it's really important to take care and I noticed that something isn't right when I was putting it together. Yeah, over here I had to press a bit more, and that's probably because of this screw. Oh my gosh, let's hope that it looks okay, and we can try to press the button. Still clicks. Yeah, it does, like it should. And this one, dome is not damaged. Okay, and let's go back the second time, and now I will check for the right position of the screws, and this one just doesn't seem to. Let me check. Yeah, screw is not. I press the screw. This button is a bit. Yeah, you see. Okay, now we have to repair the screw. The button. When not careful, the damage can appear quickly. So now I will try to bend back this plastic, and I will have to use some force. Okay, let me just check. Maybe, yeah, I also, what happened? I just need to scrape some this material away. Exposure is a little bit too low over here. Let me correct this exposure. Okay, let's see. Okay, yeah, I have to replace my I will not use the Dremel tool, but I will use the X-Acto knife. Because with the Dremel I could do too much damage, or if not careful, this is the more safer way to try to correct my mistake. Yeah. This button will be a bit damaged, but it will work. Let's say that it will not be pretty looking, but it will still perform its function. Okay, I will try to put it in its place now, and let's see if it goes like it should through the hole. Come on. Yeah, now it's okay. Let's just try to put everything together. You can see. Looks fine. Okay, now I can assemble it. Close this up. I'm satisfied with this. I'm not satisfied with my works with my assembly skills. I didn't pay attention as I should when assembling. Again, maybe good lesson for everyone that is just starting the repairs. Be really careful when putting things together. If something doesn't feel right, most probably it isn't right. So you have to retrace your steps, check check if something is loose or loose, or I don't know. Something is I don't know, it seems that something is jumping in. Okay, I will have to test it with the transmitter, but still I'm not really happy with this. Let me just try. I have another body pack over here. Let me just try the same frequency. So which channel was it on? .2, or let me just turn on the transmitter. I have one here. it is for the same frequency. Okay, nice. Okay, here we go. Oh, I need some space over here. Channel 514. Yeah. Seems okay. And if we are muted, yeah, it seems that seems that something in this area is jumping in, so that's it. This one is okay, and here you see the body pack with the shorter antenna, which I had on for some time, and yeah, it works, but it clearly doesn't this doesn't work properly over longer distances. So yeah, that was my bad. I didn't know that I have put the wrong antenna on, and now that I tried to replace on the, because I have 4 of them, and when I tried to replace the antenna on the other 3, I figured out that I have the wrong frequency antenna, so the antenna from the for the wrong frequency. So yeah, that's another thing. You have to be careful and ordering, checking everything out if you have the proper stuff to install and so on. Okay, so that's it. Thanks for watching. Hopefully this video was interesting for you, so please let me know if if you liked the video and if you learned something over here. Please learn from my mistakes, not from your own. Have a nice day. Bye bye.